V007 Visual Maps. To add a visual map, click on the Visual Map button. Once you are in the Add Visual Map section, give your visual map a name, select a product or service, and decide on the persona you want to target. Then select between Attract, Customer Success, Decide, or Engage under the Customer Stage section. Now, sequentially select up to 5 assets that you want to be part of your visual map. The goal here is to select assets that will outline the digital activities in the next section. The visual map will help you to visualize the structure of the desired digital activities that you will use to develop your campaign in the next section. Visual maps that have been submitted for approval can be approved, edited, or deleted by a manager in the Waiting for Approval section. All visual maps specific to a user will be displayed under My Visual Maps, and all visual maps approved by the manager will show up under Team Visual Maps.